Updating your email address on Square is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Square website and log in using your current email address and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in a profile or settings menu, often represented by your account name or an icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Enter new email address. In the email update section, enter your new email address in the designated field. Ensure that you double-check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email address, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Square. Keeping your contact information up to date is important for account security and communication.